Hi everyone, I am Arpita. If you are struggling with starting or keeping up with your minimal lifestyle, this video will help you a lot. Today, I will show you 6 habits that will help you with a minimalist lifestyle through my personal experiences. 1. Throw away trash immediately. In Telugu, there is a saying, "Oka gూటి పక్షులు ఒకే చోటికి చేరుతాయి." It means people of similar character stay together. It is the same for the trash. Without even knowing it, you will end up with a pile of stuff everywhere in your house. That is way far from a minimalist lifestyle. For example, if you leave your pant on the rack like this, the amount of clothes end up like this. If you have seen the trash on the roadside, everything piles up in one place. It is the same with our laundry or the clothes that we need to fold. Now look around your room. Doesn't it have the same kind of things piling up in the same place? If there is, you should throw it away immediately. Try not to hold on to garbage. It is the first step to a minimal life. Number 2, throw away, donate, and sell the items that are no longer useful. Do you have clothes, stationery, or books that you never touched? These things should be thrown away, donated, or sold. You might think, I will use it someday. But in my experience, that someday will never come. For example, I kept a suitcase full of clothes that I don't want to use, thinking Kiara might use them. I kept them for the past 2 years. I am not sure what Kiara will like after 10 more years, so I decided to sell them. If you have any of these items, please get rid of them. Number 3, count and know all things you have. I still have to do this step. It's on my to-do list. Let me explain how it works. When you go through everything you own and write them down, you will get to know what you needed and what you don't. You can do this room by room. For example, if you know what exactly you have, it will stop you from buying the same or similar things. I know it is a little difficult to count everything you own. Let us take this as a challenge and do it anyway. I'm up for this challenge. Are you? Write down and let me know in the comments. Number 4, repair. I have a habit of repairing things before opting to buy a new item. This helps me with my minimalist journey. When you repair, you don't need to buy new things more often. I add badges to a hole in the bag. I add new fabric to a torn pant. I think that gives a beautiful look to the old garment. Number 5, change of mindset. When you know that you have enough, your mind will be peaceful. In short, no matter how many things you have, no matter how many new luxury things you have, you will never find peace of mind. At the same time, even if you have few things, if you are satisfied with your situation and appreciate what you have, you will find peace and satisfaction. In this world, we are constantly told on social media, TV, that we are not enough at all times. For example, if you get to see your favorite celebrity wearing a certain type of clothes, sometimes you may think, wow, pretty dress, I want that too. Or, I want the cosmetics they use. Or, what a cool car. The moment you think that, your brain starts thinking, I don't have enough. That's what makes you buy something new. So try this. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, focus on what you have right now. Even if you don't have many things, if you are grateful for what you have, you will end up feeling satisfied and buying much fewer things. Number 6, set rules for buying. There are times when you need to buy things. I know, I understand that. I know about it. Here are some rules that I follow and you can follow them too. Number one, buy things that spark joy. This means you should buy only the things that you are passionate about and excited about. Some people buy things because they are on sale, limited edition, or new products. That's not the kind of feeling I'm talking about. The feeling should come from bottom of your heart. If you are not sure if the thing sparks joy, let's go to my second point. Number two, ask yourself, do you want to use it every day? For example, I saw a handloom sari when I went to Fab India some months ago. I loved it. But I asked myself if I will wear it every day. The answer was no. My mind said, you just wanted to wear this for a while, right? You already have so many beautiful saris. So why do you want to buy that one? You know where I'm going? Number three, one in, one out rule. I keep mentioning this to everyone I meet or in my videos. This is a simple rule that you remove one item when you buy a new item. I even say to remove 2 or 3 items when one item is purchased. There are 2 good things with this rule. Avoid impulse purchase because you have to remove a lot of things if you buy on impulse. Also, if you buy one thing and throw away one thing, you basically don't have many things accumulated. This rule really helps to stay minimal. These are the techniques I've been practicing for now, and one thing I still need to do. Do you have any rules that help with your minimal lifestyle? Please try to include the rules I have shared today or even one of them, and let's have a minimal lifestyle together. If you find this video useful, there is an option of saying thanks to me by clicking the thanks button under this video. Your support will help me create more informative videos just like this one. Share the video to raise awareness. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.